It's Sarah here, Sales and Education with MilkMakeup, and today I'm going to take you through getting that perfect Instagram brow using just Milk products. So we need a day goals, a brow gel, flex concealer, and an angle brush. Alright, let's get started. First we're going to brush all the brow hairs up to make sure we know our shape, and then I'm going to take the brow gel and begin filling in from the bottom. Brow gel is great, so it's really emollient, so it's going to be a great base for us. The key to that Instagram brow is you want the front to be a little fluffier, but then the back end to be a really sharp shape. That way you get that definition and that beautiful arch. Next, to really sharpen that brow, I'm going to go in with day goals. I'm going to use an angle brush and that very dark shade, and I'm going to go in through the tail of my brow and really carve it out so it's super defined, really perfect. Big trick to Instagram brows: carving out under the brow with concealer. Now I'm going to use Flex in the color Fair because it's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, and it's just going to lift that brow bone and really sharpen that edge. Woo! I'm going back in with day goals. Going to use that light kind of champagne color and press it right on top of the Fair Flex concealer. And there you go. There's your Instagram brow.